So, you asked to freeze this phone in liquid nitrogen. Okay, what the hell can happen to it actually? I guess nothing. I hope not the same as with this jelly bear. See? Nothing special. Just becomes really fragile and afraid of. Oh man. Hope not. Not my phone, please. But there is no way back. It's rugged, it's protected, and it's freaking tough. Let's check this guy right now. Are you ready? Let's do it. Boiling phone. No way. Something goes on with that screen. Looks like I don't have. Oh man. Oh, it just picture. Oops, it just broken screen. Anyways, let's wait. Oh man, it seems I don't have a rugged phone anymore. Just look at it. Oh, it blinks? Hope to turn it on. Guys, really hope to turn it on. What do you think? Will I manage? Will it work? Please? Well, looks like no chance, but let's defroze it. Let's try. So, about half an hour later, well, I really hope it will work. It will turn on. Let's try. No, please. Well, I really hope it will work. Come on. No way! Just look at this. Holy, it works, guys. It really works. It turned on. Oh man. No way. Holy. That is unbelievable. Oh, just 0% of charge. Okay. Guys, just not sure if you would believe me, but I tried to charge that, and yes, it turned on after some charging, and it works. The screen is completely cracked, but the phone works. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care. And you know what? I think I have an idea for another challenge. Believe that?